Alright guys, so I am going to be turning this look into the night look, and I'm going to go back in with that same palette and show you how to do it. I am going to be taking a little brush, the brush that we used on the outside corner. And this is from, whoop, I just dropped it. And this is from Morphe. So just a small pencil brush, you can get them all over the place. And I'm going to go in with Sorel, I think it's called. It's this one in the bottom. And we're going to put that in the outer crease. It's super easy. Just go ahead and hopefully I'm in focus. Okay. And from there, we're going to blend that out. Again, using that same method that we did with the others. Alright, I'm liking how that looks, but I want to deepen up a little bit more. So I'm going to go into Henna, which is a gray tone color. And we will pack that onto the brush. Pack that onto the brush, and again, we're just going to go out. Okay. And we are just going to kind of do little circles all up in this crease. So, boom. Do you see how now it's like smoky and such? I'm going to bring that down onto the lid. Just do a little bit. There we go. Boom. And now we're going to take that same color and we're going to blend it underneath. And I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend it out just a tiny bit, not too much because I still want that smokiness. And then I'm going to clean off that brush that I was using. And I'm just going to pack the Chai shade, the lightest shade in the palette, Chai. And we're going to pack that all up here. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of that ginger shade again, this one right here, and then I'm going to pack that right into this inner corner. Alright, and now with the liner, instead of brown, I'm going to go with black. So again, this is from Colourpop, this is Swerve, just the black shade. And we're going to take that liner brush we just used with the brown one, clean it off. I don't have time to clean it off, but clean it off, and then go in and line that eye. And this one, you can make it a little bit more dramatic. I want to get really close to those lashes. Yep, okay, there we go. Come on. We need to back up? Okay. Alright, to take it one step further, I'm going to just line this inner rim and I'll be back, okay? Alright, so I just finished that look and I'm going to zoom you guys back out. Alright guys, this is how I do my night look. I have an intense black liner, kind of smoked out the edges, and that is what I would wear to go out with my friends at night. It gives it a little bit more of a smoky feel, a little bit more intense. It's a lot more dramatic than something I would use in the day. So that is how to take the brown sugar palette and turn it into a day to a night look if you just want to throw this in your bag. I only use like 3 to 4 brushes, and you don't have to use gel liner, you can use like a pencil. This is just what I like to use. And then yeah, I think these palettes are amazing. They are like $12 on Colourpop.com. And go ahead and use my code down below. It's just a link and it gives you 20% off your Colourpop order. So saving money, always one of my favorite things. So Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you liked this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite Colourpop palette and what you think I should do next with beauty and makeup tutorials. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!